Okay, what's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type math problem for you. I adapted this problem from a real SAT problem. So this is really the kind of stuff that you'll see on the SAT. Before you solve it, though, I want you to go ahead and like the video. I want you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I do post um, these types of videos up at least once a week, if not more. All right. Now, as long as you've done that, you can go ahead and try to solve the problem. Make sure you pause the video. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and solve this. It says Gerard is taking his family to a water park and plans to purchase tickets. The park charges a one-time processing fee plus the cost of each ticket purchased. If the equation C equals 37T plus 15 represents the total cost C in dollars that Gerard will pay for T tickets, what does 37 represent in the equation? Okay. All right, so this is a pretty easy one right here. So you got C, that is your cost, or I'll say specifically your total cost. T is the number of tickets. Now, when I first look at this equation here, I automatically think slope intercept. Okay, it's a linear equation in slope intercept form. You have some y value. So in this case, y is c and it's total cost. So you could kind of think about this as being like on a XY plot, except for in this case, that's the cost per number of tickets. Okay. So you have some sort of linear something that looks probably like that. All right, now the key things to remember are these here. You know, this is your slope, which represents the rate of change. So how y changes per unit x. Okay, that's kind of sloppy there, but you just had to hear what I said. And then this is the y-intercept, which is where the line crosses or touches the y-axis. So like wherever that would be. That, if you think about it in terms of like some sort of real world application, it's going to be an initial value. Okay. And so in this case, you see they say that the part charges a one-time processing fee. That's what this is going to be. So in this case, 15 is going to be a one-time processing fee. Um, but that's not what we're looking for. We're wondering what the 37 stands for. 37 has something to do with the rate of change, the slope, how the cost changes per unit number of tickets. Okay. So this slope, so you multiply something times the number of tickets. So this actually is the cost per ticket. Because when you multiply the cost per ticket, let me point to this here. You multiply the cost per ticket times the number of tickets, you're going to get a cost for that amount of that number of tickets. So therefore, the number 37 is a representative of the cost per ticket. Okay. Now, keep in mind, this is one part of this whole total. We get to add the cost per have many tickets to ride buys to the processing fee, and then that's going to be the total cost. But this is what they're asking us for. Let me know if you got it right. Also, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I also want you to share with somebody else who's taking the SAT because they need help too. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.